Once the location and racks are configured, you can proceed to adding your first device. It can be done through the auto-discovering form, which, using the SNMP protocol, will automatically add a new device in the system, together with its network ports and parts. This process has been explained in another video. Each device added to the system is an inventory item with special properties, allowing it to be mounted in rack cabinets. You can also add single inventory items of a CPU, RAM, and HDD type, which can then be assigned to the devices as their parts. You're able to add other devices to the system as well, including switches, routers, and PDU devices. In this video, we'll show you the steps of adding a server, but the entire process looks exactly the same for any other device. In order to add a single device manually, you need to choose Devices, and then Add Device from the sidebar menu. The form for adding a new device contains only two required fields. These are Select Device Type, where you have to specify the type of the device, and Select or Create Device Model, where the model of the device is defined. Now, every device in the system has to be assigned to a given model. The device model indicates the elements and features common to all devices of the same model, including device image, manufacturer, buy price, purchase date, warranty months, warranty info, comments, and notes. Each model in the system needs a unique name. If you haven't created a model for the device before, simply type in a name for it here, and the new model will be added automatically. Later on, you can freely edit it by changing its attributes in the Item Models section located in Infrastructure. Now, apart from the model and type of a device, you can also specify its additional attributes: the label, the main IP address, and additional IP addresses, separated by comma, the operating system, MAC address, as well as determining the status of the device in the inventory. It might be either in use, available, defect, sold, under repair, bought, or not delivered yet. If you want to set the device parameters out in greater detail, click on Save and Configure More, and then you'll be able to specify such options as warranty information, additional information, metadata, location and client, and rack and position. After the validation of the form, the device will be added to the system, and you'll be automatically redirected to its summary view. You can freely adjust the properties of a device as soon as it's been added. You can learn more about managing servers and various devices in our other videos.